Oh my god. Where can the washing machine get dirty after being soaked in water all day? I do not believe. Dismantle. I found that the outside of the drum is really dirty. While doing laundry, bacteria and mold in these dirty things will be mixed into the water, seeps into our clothes. So it is necessary to clean the washing machine regularly. Otherwise, there will be too many bacteria and mites. Pour some detergent into the washing machine. Turn on bucket self-cleaning mode. Rich foam. The inner wall is clean. The rubber ring is also clean. Rest assured when you wear the washed clothes.